Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are starting a new type of statement that is known as output statement in pseudocoding. Although input statement and output statement are almost same in format, but still how these statements are working in context of pseudocoding, we will start this discussion today. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss again what is an output statement and how to write an output statement with example and past paper practice. And hopefully, this description will help you to write output statement easily while solving your problem analysis question. Okay, ji. So let's start. First of all, we will learn how to write an output statement. Whatever is being stored inside the variable that is displayed on the screen is known as output statement. For example, I just take an example of simple calculator. In a calculator, what is happening? We have a display screen, then we have a keypad along with different area where there are numbers written, numpad, and maybe operations plus, minus, divide, multiply, etc. etc. So when we are pressing a number from the keyboard, definitely we are providing input to the system. And whatever, after performing some specific operation and processing, what is being displayed, it will be displayed over this display screen, and the statement that is responsible for displaying data on the screen or on this display is known as output statement. In pseudocoding, basically we are using two words. Usually we are using two words for displaying the data on the screen, and these two words are output or print. Keyword that we are using usually for writing a print statement or output statements are two keywords are here. One is output, and yes, we can use one more word, print. Either we will write output or we will write print. And sorry students, I forgot. Do not write the word without caps, because usually we are writing the keywords in pseudocoding to identify them that these are the keywords, we are writing them in all caps, uppercase letter. Okay. Then we will write the prompt message as we have discussed in our previous class as well. Prompt message is some information, some kind of information we want to display it on the screen. And again, it's helpful for user to understand that what is the purpose of that specific operation. Now we will write identifier of variable name. For example, if I am calculating the total from the program and I want to display it now, so I will write it somewhat like this. Hopefully you got the idea that how to write an output statement. First of all, we will use keyword, either print or output. Yes, there is a possibility that a print or output statement can be written without a prompt message. Like we can directly write print total. This will be quite clear in next slide. So let's move to next part of this presentation. Here you can see, let me highlight it. Okay, Ji. So in this pseudocode, you will be able to see that we have different output statement here, and in this program, the programmer is using print word for displaying the information on the screen. So you can see here that this statement is written print index. It means that it is printing the index. Whatever is stored in this variable index, it will print that value. All right. Okay, so let me draw it. Index. Whatever is being stored in this variable, it will be displayed on the screen. And along with index, say 70 values stored in index and it has been displayed. And next line that would be printed on the screen is print numbers were larger than 500. So simply this message will be displayed on the screen. So in this example, you have seen that when we are displaying or printing or outputting prompt message on the screen, it will be written as it is on the screen. But when we are simply writing the variable name, it is displaying the content inside the variable. So if 70 is stored here, say 70 is stored here after the execution of this program, this will be displayed on the screen. Hopefully this description is quite clear to you and you will be able to understand that what is an output statement and how to write it. See you in next class. In next class, inshallah, we will be starting our decision statements or our conditional statement. Till then, keep watching my videos, subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.